Here we're gonna look at a graphing technique called translation. Translation means moving up or down, left or right, or a combination of both. For example, this function f of x equals absolute value of x. That's the graph. And if you want to graph another function, g of x, that is absolute value of x minus 4, we can just move the graph of the function of f of x 4 units downward. And we can obtain the graph of the function g of x equals absolute value of x minus 4. So the general rules for vertical translation, if you add a unit, for example, if you add in 2 units, that we move the graph up 2 units. And if it's minus 3 of the original function, you move down 3 units. So here's the graph of the function f of x equals x squared. If we want to graph another function is minus 5 of that, so we move everything downward 5 units. So this will be the graph of x equals x squared minus 5. And if we want to graph another function that is x squared plus 3, we can move up 3 units. So that's g of x, x squared plus 3. So this is the graph of function of 0 of x. And 0 of x minus 2 would be 2 units downward. And plus 5 would be 5 units upward. So for horizontal translation, it's moving the graph left or right. But the direction here is the opposite of the sign. For example, the function f of x equals to absolute value of x versus the function square absolute value of x minus 4. This time, if you notice, the minus 4 is inside the absolute value versus earlier it was x minus 4. So this is vertical translation. This is horizontal translation. And for minus 4, direction is not to the left, but it's to the right. So general rule is that if the minus 3 is applied to the x, it's horizontal and it's 3 units to the right. If it's plus 2, then it's 2 units to the left. So here's the function x squared. And if we want to graph function f of x equal x minus 5 whole thing squared, so that means minus 5, that means 5 units to the right. So this is x minus 5 quantity squared. And x plus 3 quantity squared would be 3 units left for it. Should be x plus 3 squared. So here's a function square root of x. So square root of x minus 5 would be 5 units to the right. And x plus 3, square root of x plus 3 would be 3 units to the left. So here we have a combination of both vertical and horizontal translations. So for this function, parent function absolute value of x. This plus 1 is added to x, so that's horizontal. So that's 1 unit to the left. And minus 4 is outside of the absolute value, so that's applied on the function. So it's 4 units downwards. So the first function is 1 unit to the left and 4 units down. So this is x, absolute value of x plus 1 minus 4. For the second function, so minus 2 inside, so that's on x, so that's horizontal, 2 units to the right, and plus 3 is applied on the function, so that's 3 unit upward. So 2 units to the right and 3 units up. So this is x minus 2, absolute value of x minus 2 plus 3. So here's the function x cubed. So the first function is plus 4. So that's 4 unit to the left, since it's a plus, and plus 2 on the function, so that's 2 units upward. So 4 to the left and 2 units up. And for the second one, this means 4 units to the right and 6 units down. 4 to the right and 6 down.